Have my Bicol team, some of the Bicol team, they're here actually. So thank you, Gerald and the rest of the gang, who help us every day more than 100%. So sa lahat ng kailangan namin, binigay nila. It's an honor to be the producer of this film, especially coming from a first-time filmmaker, and he's only 25 years old. So, ayun, I'm very proud na, na kinuha ako nila Direk Mario, nila Ayan, to produce this. So, maganda yung journey namin. We're not friends, me and Joseph. Basically, hindi taga kami magkakilala, but we're neighbors. O, diba? So, hindi siya pupunta sa mga parties ko. So, kaya hindi niya ako nakilala. So, right there, nung nag-meet kami, click, and when I read the script, I actually cried. Walang halong biro. Maybe because my mom used to be an OFW for a long time, and sa family ko maraming mga seaman, so marami rin OFW. So it actually touched a big chunk of my heart and made me cry. There's one scene in the film na mapapanood nyo na sobrang sinabi ko kay Joseph, you don't delete this scene. This is the scene that I'm gonna say yes by to producing this film. So this is a special day, a special night. It's a celebration. My friends are here. Joseph's friends are here. The entire, the colleagues, family, lahat nandito, the entire cast. Well, sabi nga nila, may mga gatherings talagang pamilya na hindi na kompleto. Kaya wala si Nanay Irma ngayon dahil pinatawag sa taping. So, mga susunod na screening, makakasama din natin siya. So, I hope ma-enjoy nyo at sa mga naghihirap sa pelikula, nandito yung iba kong team. So, papakilala ko lang ng mabilis. My editor is here. Mark Jason Gang. Jason, come here. My sound designer, Catherine Arian Salinas. Nandito ka, Kat? Yes. My assistant director, Shea Andes. Ayan. Production manager is here, Arian Dulay. Production coordinator, Jasmine Supera. Production assistant, Harold Ara, nandito. Talent coordinator, si Chichi. Assistant PM, si Azel Lacdao. Mamaya, dati pa iba naming cast members. Our DOP is here. Nasa ka na? Ronald Rebutica. There. Nasa ba kayo? Meron mo ba ako nakalimutan bago pakilala yung cast? So, last na syempre si Derek. Tinali siya, di ba? Hindi-make-upan pa si Derek. Charot. Sino pa? Okay, ang cast ko nandito, coming from the South. Charot. Yung may mga South talaga. Playing the twins, yung kambal sa pelikula, anak ni Sir Bembo at ni Miss Irma. We have Bianca Libinting and Rex Lantano. Yung mukha talaga silang kambal. And they're actually high school classmates. Tama? Ayan. The kuya sa film, B-Boy Ramirez is here. Also part of the cast is Aaron Rivera, but he's currently in Thailand. So, but the family of Aaron is here. Thank you for supporting. Of course, part of the cast also is Irma Adlawan, nasa shoot niya. And gusto ko ipakilala ang aming lead actor, our captain ng family ng What Home Feels Like, ang Pamilya Concepcion. Kung si Joseph at ako, nagbigay kami kayo ng 200%, si Sir Bembo mga 201%. No joke, I'm very honored to be working again with Sir Bembo. Yung last namin sa comedy, and we just got it for a special role. Ngayon, kunyari kung sequences namin 169, 168 si Sir Bembo, yung pang 169 voice over niya. So, start to end, Bembo talaga ito. So, grabe yung binigay niya. It's a humbling experience to see na yung mga veterans at award-winning actors talagang grabe yung suporta sa mga baguhan at sa mga fresh na filmmakers na katulad ko. Fresh talaga. So, Sir Ben, alam mo naman yung best friend sinabi sa'yo, it's an honor, we love you, I love you. So, our Antonio Concepcion, Mr. Ben Polo. At syempre, may konti na sabi si Sir Bembol, papakilala ko na ang the man of the night, the man of the hour, my very young director, and his single. Joseph Abelio. Sir Ben, a few messages at Mr. Teaser.
Good evening. Thank you for coming. I really hope you enjoyed the film. Yes, we did work a lot for this film, and I'm very happy, glad, and
Good evening po. Thank you sa pagpunta mula sa cast and crew ng Hope. Thank you sa mga friends ko, Yabang Pinoy, Kenan, UST, tsaka yung mga friends ko from Japan. Thank you. Yun, sana po mag-enjoy kayo. Thank you po.
And we would like to give a shout out to our festival director who basically helped us from the very beginning.
Yes.
Direct Mario J. Direk, salamat. At sobrang busy si Direk. Maraming kami kasabayan dito sa kasama natin. And ngayong gabi, ialay natin ang gabing ito para sa lahat ng mga overseas Filipino workers, para sa mga seaman, sa mga seafarers, basically sa ating mga magulang. Iaalay natin kami ito sa ating mga magulang na naghihirap para itaguyod ang kanilang pamilya at ang kanilang mga anak. So, mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino at mabuhay ang pamilya. I hope you enjoy the movie.
Hello din pala sa film friends. Sorry.